Hey, it's Todd Alton. Welcome back to Wall Street Words. Today's word is board of directors. Now, all public companies have to have a board of directors. These are usually elected annually, but there can be staggered boards where a board member serves for a 3-year term and is elected every 3 years. Now, the board of directors hires the senior management, including the CEO, the president, and generally the chief executive or chief financial officers, the C-suite, and they oversee policies like dividends, stock options, and executive pay. They generally are the oversight for the shareholders that they represent. Now, this is an important concept to understand. The board of directors serves there to protect and oversee their investment on behalf of the shareholders. Now, boards of directors are generally picked for specific specialties, like someone has an audit background, or maybe if you're an industrial company, you'll pick a board member from another company that they're industrial. And this is one of my favorite examples, is that there was a time and place where Eric Schmidt of Google, who was the CEO of Google, was on the board of directors of Apple. Now, this created a huge conflict eventually because Apple went into the phone business, right, with the iPhone, and so did Google. Eric Schmidt ultimately left the board of directors of Apple. Today's word is board of directors. They serve an important role in oversight of the C-suite, the company, on behalf of the American shareholders.
Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Please subscribe and hit that bell below. If you think this video adds value, please share it with somebody. By the way, if you want to watch more Wall Street Words videos, there's 2 videos right here you can watch right now. There's new videos every day. Thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Always great things happening here.